Araba. Wow. Hello, Aunt Araba. What? You mean the salespeople have stolen from the shop again? And you always have to go to the shop before you'll be able to access your report? Why? But I gave you the contact of the POS expert, Eddyfast Consult. See, Eddyfast Consult has a whole lot of features from product and stock management, supplies and purchase management, sales and invoices, customer management, account and HR. You still have their contact? Then good. Contact them and you'll be sorted out. Alright, bye-bye. For the best, reliable, and user-friendly point of sale software to use, whether for a pharmacy shop, a supermarket, or whatever, look no further than Eddyfast point of sale. To take your business to the next level, contact Eddyfast Consult on 0246 662286, 0246 662286, and 0240 222 811. Eddyfast Consult, latest technology at your doorstep.